Greetings and salutations, YouTube, it's Hadrian here. Welcome to a new video. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. I'm super excited today because we're going to be doing an unboxing. Yes, this is the second unboxing for this series I'm doing called Quarantine Unboxing, where I go thrifting online and on websites and apps such as Mercari, eBay, Poshmark, Depop. Wherever I can find a good deal on some cool designer goods, I will try and get it. So, hope you guys are excited. I have a couple items here. I have more on the way. I have just been kind of like shopping. And it has been actually really fun. If you guys want to see the first video, I'm going to have it linked up there and down below as well in the description box. But if you guys love thrifting, thrift hauls, vlogs, designer handbags, wallets, and finding them at amazing deals online and in thrift stores, you guys are in the right spot. I do post videos every single day, so don't forget to add me. Hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell button so you're notified when new videos do go up, because I do have more items that are going to be coming up very soon, and I'm really excited to unbox them with all of you guys. And I know that there's like the crazy state of the world right now. This is just meant to be kind of like a little bit of a relief from all that. I love watching these videos. I've been watching other people's old haul videos. I've been watching people's new haul videos, and it's just like a nice way to kind of like zone out of the moment and kind of just like relax, and I don't know, I just think it's plain fun. So with that being said, let's jump into this. I only have 2 items. They literally just came right now, so I'm pretty excited. Let's start with the big one first. I don't know what's in what box, so, and I don't know what came, and I tried to like not check about what came or what was coming. I want to kind of be like a surprise, even though I know what I ordered, but I don't know, might be more fun just not knowing exactly what came today, and it'll be like a little bit more of like a surprise for myself, and definitely a surprise for you guys. So this box, opening it up, let's see what it is. I didn't order anything large, so I don't know. Like, they use kind of a big box for this. But here it is. And it's just this smaller thing right here. I think I know what this is. Okay. Very exciting because it's in a yellow tissue paper. Yellow is my favorite color. It's in this Ziploc bag. Let's take it out. Oh my gosh, it is beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's so crazy, and it looks like a bowling pin. This is so cool. I love it so much. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is like legit, like so cool. I think it's actually missing a little thing though. Is it missing one? I just noticed that like one's missing right here, which I feel like that wasn't in the description, but I honestly got like such a good deal. I'm kind of like whatever about it. But it was originally $6.50. It was on sale for $2.29. And I think I got this for like $50, I think. This was this is a Anya Hinmark piece. I can see why it was on sale, because like this thing is coming off. But I can just glue that back on with like a little bit of leather glue. And it looks like it's a little dirty. It might have been like a sample or like a floor model or something. But it's okay. I really like it. This thing weighs 8 million pounds. It is so heavy. But it's so gosh darn cute. I don't even care. But yeah, this is an Anya Hinmark tassel. I love her tassels so much. I actually have another one of her tassels, and it looks like a traffic cone. I love her like whimsical designs and how she makes things that look like other things as something else. So I think that's really fun. This is so super cute, and I'm really excited about it. I feel like I'm just going to use this decoratively. It's really heavy to like put on a handbag, so I don't know. But it's really fun. I really like it. Tell me what you guys think down below in the description box. Would you guys buy this if you got it for like $50? Actually, I would put it on a handbag. This is really like, maybe like a larger one. Might be a little too much for a smaller bag, especially with the weight of it. But this is just so cute. Okay, so that's the first thing right there. The next thing is in this little bag right here. Ooh, I wonder what it is. I'm kind of scared to snip it because I don't want to accidentally cut it. Is this like, oh, let's open it down here. Duh, Hadrian. I was like trying to open it at the top. What do you guys think it is? Comment down below. I think I know what it is, but I ordered a couple of these, so I don't know exactly which one it is. Okay, here it is. Oh! Okay, do you see this? Little dust bag. Oh, there it is. It's catching the light. Chanel. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, it is so nice. Okay, so there's the dust bag. We're just gonna set it over there. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed with it. So this is a little Chanel wallet. It's a little zip around wallet, and it's in like a beige caviar, and this is the boy version. It looks kind of like the boy bag. It has the quilting and the little kind of like looking lock right there. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I'm just like checking out all the factors of authenticity. The zipper is a Chanel zipper. There's like a little Chanel thing right there. Here's the Chanel made in Italy. And then inside here is a little sticker. I got this at such an amazing deal as well. So I'm very, very excited about it. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I cannot wait to start using this. I have been like searching for something like this. Ooh, let me show you guys. Okay, because if you guys watched the other video, I have been on a hunt for like everything Chanel. I don't know why, but I was like, you know what? I really want to find more Chanel stuff at a great deal. So in the other video, if you guys remember, I also got this Chanel little pouch, and this is actually the one that's supposed to have like a little key fob thing. This one's missing. I am going to replace it still, so there's that. And then this was actually a handbag rehab. I actually just finished it, so if you guys want to check it out, I'm going to have it linked. But this one was super fun. It was so like stained, and I managed to get pretty much all of it out, and I'm very excited about that. And then I also got these two guys as well. The Saint Laurent Sac du Jour and this cute little Fendi Monster keychain bag charm. So there you go. I'm like Chanel'd out right now. Look at this. Ah! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And this one came with a dust bag and everything. This dust bag like literally feels so luxurious. It is the nicest dust bag I've ever felt in my entire life. But oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is so cute. It has the 3 compartments, 1, 2, 3. The leather, oh, smells good, looks good, everything just looks amazing. And it's like literally brand new. It doesn't look like it's ever been used. There are no stickers on it anymore, like that sticker on the front or anything, but it literally looks brand new, and I am so excited. Of course, I'm gonna send out photos to my friend and see if this is in fact authentic before I accept it, but I'm gonna do that right now. So check in for another video and I'll let you guys know whether or not this is authentic, but I'm pretty sure it is. So thank you guys again so much for watching. But yeah, it is very important to have your things authenticated just in case, especially when you're buying more expensive designer goods. You don't want to get tricked into buying fakes and counterfeits because there are so many out there. So I'm pretty sure this is authentic. I just want to get a second opinion. So again, just be safe. I'm gonna have him linked down below. His name is Rearrange Birkin on Instagram. He does do authentications. Just let him know Hadrian sent you, and he'll give you a good deal. Yeah, check him out. But I love you guys so much. Hope you guys had fun today. Don't forget to check out tomorrow's new video bright and early at 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye.